Hey guys, I got me a new rig for my shelter. It's real tiny, so I wanted to try to set it up and show it to you and show how it works. So let's do it and see how it goes. It's deer hunting season, and this is a quality buck hunt, which means 4 points each side. So I thought that if I saw one, I might throw a rock at it. So here we go. Hey guys, I got me a new rig for my shelter. It's real tiny, so I wanted to try to set it up and show it to you and show how it works. So let's do it and see how it goes. It's deer hunting season, and this is a quality buck hunt, which means 4 points each side. So I thought that if I saw one, I might throw a rock at it. So here we go. Expedition. Don't leave home without them. This is it. It weighs about, it's just under a pound. Tyvek ground cloth. Walmart. I think it was $9 for this tarp and the mosquito netting. I got at a sporting goods store for $7. So the Tyvek was free. $20 rig. I'm not as smart as some of y'all and wind my cords up properly. So I always have a mess to deal with. Actually going to do that someday. So I already tied in the mosquito netting to a corner. I'll probably have to rig that so I can change it when I want. You have to cut me some tent stakes. Be right back. Hey guys, I was going to do a review on the Leatherman. A little bit better because now I've had it for about a month or so. And this is the Sidekick. And it is a kick, that's for sure. And, you know, I've been using it. See, it's all burned up. And just want to talk about it a little bit, about how excited I am about this, because I've never carried a Leatherman, except when they first came out. I didn't like them because they were too big and too bulky. This one's heavy. I normally carry an open L, which are very lightweight, but man, is it worth carrying around. You have your pliers, of course. You have a really nice serrated edge. Can you see that? You have a file, a small screwdriver, some ruler markings. You have a can opener and a wire stripper right there. A wire stripper. And I've used everything in here now. Everything performs excellent. And then in the very back, right there, if you want, you have a lanyard. And it comes with a clip, but I don't like the clip, so I took it off. But there's the lanyard if you need to use it for something. And on the other side, it's got screwdrivers. Has a large Phillips and regular flathead, and they perform excellent. And what's nice about this, let's say that you got to get some torque. I saw one guy, he said it didn't lock. He said they're non-locking. Well, how are they non-locking? Watch. That's locked. That ain't going nowhere. That's locked. They have a little bit of kind of a resistance. See? There's a resistance there. That's locked really well. Plus, you can extend it like this. You can use it like this as a T-bar. That's really nice. So I just really am in love with this thing. I'm using it all the time. The knife, one hand knife. The blade. I don't know what kind of steel they use, but I have to sharpen it about once a week. I don't like to sharpen my knives much. The open L, maybe I sharpen once a month at full use. And this is about once a week. So it's softer stainless. It's a soft stainless. It's easy to put a blade on it. I mean, 10 whips on the old ceramic and it's done. And that's nice. But, I don't like sharpening it that much. But other than that. And then here's the saw. And it's one-handed too. So it took me a while to figure out how to make it one-handed. And so the knife, you kind of do like this. You do like that, okay? Because I'm right-handed. And then the saw, you turn it over, use your second finger, right there, and push it out, and then hit it with your thumb. And then, of course, if you're real industrious, you can pull them both out and get in a battle. Whoa, I got to do that. Anyway, that's my favorite knife so far, and just love it. I mean, it's just a great go-to knife. It's great. Thanks, Leatherman. Thanks, Farrell. Great knife. Great recommendation from Farrell. Alright, back to the tarp setup here. Got my sticks. Okay. 10 steaks. Just took a second to cut them. Why carry them with you when you can cut them? I'm not real sure how I want to cook this. So I'm going to experiment with it. So you have to be patient with me. What we're going to do is we're going to guideline it this first time. That sounds good. Let's see, I'm going to need that. ridgepole. So this is it. It's all guyed out. I don't like that. Probably should be underneath there. But, that's basically it. Got your mosquito netting. Up through the top. See that? It's nice. It's real nice. That is a, I don't know, $16 shelter. And I could guide out a couple more places if I wanted. But I think that'll keep me comfortable, huh? So here I am. My one-man beanie looking out through the mosquito netting. I can't even see it. Very nice. So it's all set up, nice. I think I'll just take a nap, enjoy myself. It's so beautiful here. That's what I'm looking at.